Hi, I'm Jennifer, and this is Rich, and we're the show promoters for the OCRV and Van Lifestyle Show in Ocean City, Maryland. By day, Rich is a wizard with mobile marine and RV repairs, and me, I bring the charm of Ocean City to life with my stories. Since 2020, Rich and I have been building our dream home, renovating our RVs and motovans, all while traveling up and down the East Coast racing dirt bikes. Living life on the Eastern Shore, we are surrounded by beautiful beaches, scenic forests, wetlands, and plenty of campgrounds and places to relax and enjoy outdoor recreation. Mix that with our love for extreme sports and life on the open road, made us think that Ocean City would be the perfect place to host a lifestyle show. Rich was like, "Babe, let's host an RV and van lifestyle show in our hometown." I mean, between your 20 plus years of event and marketing experience and my 40 plus years of working on RVs, vans, boats, why not do something that we both love and are super passionate about in our hometown? So we got to work, made a few phone calls, and before we knew it, signed a contract for the first ever RV and van lifestyle event in Ocean City, Maryland. If you're into outdoor adventures, RV living, and all things on wheels, you're going to love following our journey. Subscribe to our channel for a peek into our life, tips, and all the fun we have at our show and beyond. Let's roll into this adventure together.